Stop chasing love and relationships. Watch this, and something amazing is about to happen. They're going to be chasing, wanting, and needing you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. So, high flyers, Valentine's Day is approaching. And I just want to say this. We have something very special this Valentine's Day. How would you like to be engaged or married by the end of the year? Well, you're going to want to join us on Valentine's Day. Go to valentinesdaymiracle.com. Don't delay. Do it now because Valentine's Day is coming upon us very, very quick. It's almost here. So, have you ever had this experience where you're in a relationship and you feel the other person kind of close up? You know, they were open and now they're closed. And so what do? You start chasing harder. You start, is everything okay? Is everything working out? Do we still have a good thing going? And then you start calling them. Maybe they used to text you in the morning, good morning, and now they've forgotten to do that a few times. So now you're texting them in the morning and you're chasing. And the harder you chase, the further away they seem to get. Maybe they're going through something. Maybe they're having some personal life experiences that are painful to them. But you start chasing harder and they start backing off. Or perhaps they want to slow the pace of the relationship down a little bit. And that freaks you out. That puts you in a state of panic and fear. And then you start chasing. And the more you chase, the further away they get. You see, it's almost a fact that the more you chase, the further away your specific person or your love interest will get. So why does this happen? Because of the law of attraction. It's the law of attraction at work. See, the law of attraction isn't just about attracting good things. The law of attraction also attracts some pretty bad stuff, when we allow it to do it, when we create that. What's happening is you're now attracting more chasing because that's what you're emotionalizing. I don't want this chasing. I don't want this fear. I don't want this anxiety. So you start chasing more and more and more. And the universe says, that's what they want. Give them more chasing. The universe mirrors exactly what you are doing, what you are thinking, and what you are feeling. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to invert the energy. We're going to do energy judo. And by doing this energy judo, by using the energy and turning it a different direction, what happens is they're going to start chasing you. They're going to start wanting you. They're going to start missing you and texting you and craving you and wanting to fix the relationship or whatever it is that the two of you are going through. They're going to be reaching out to you. This means that they're going to stop running, that they're going to stop ghosting, that they're going to stop hiding, and they're going to stop avoiding. And they're going to start opening up to you and wanting more of your time, of your energy, of your connection. I'm not sure if you've experienced this before, but it seems like the more you want someone to text you, or the more you want someone to call you, or reach out to you, or give you the kind of energy that you feel you deserve and desire, the less you get. It's crazy, but that's how it happens because you're chasing. And what happens is really you're in a lack mindset. When you're in a lack mindset, you are attracting the opposite of what you would like to see happen. And so some people would say you're detracting. You're really attracting, you're just attracting something else. Just to make it simple, you're detracting. That's not what you want. So when it comes to love or your specific person or a relationship or getting married, or even money for that matter, you have a choice: an abundance mindset or a scarcity mindset. That's your choice. So ask yourself, am I in confidence vibe? Do I feel confident? Am I in love vibe? Am I in happiness and joy vibe? Am I in gratitude vibe? If you are in an abundance mindset. But if you're not, if you're in worry, fear, doubt, anxiety, you are in a scarcity mindset. And you're worried about not having. And the more you worry, the less you get. When you are in fear, doubt, worry, you're more likely to chase, and that attracts more chasing. So why not close your eyes, relax your interior spirit, make sure you're not driving, and you're in a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for a few moments, and listen to this. Take it in, absorb it. It's going to put you in an abundance mindset, but more importantly, it's going to have them chasing you rather than you chasing them. So now that you're settled and relaxed and calm, why not draw them to you? Draw the love that you desire. Draw the happiness that you desire. Draw your specific person, or your soulmate, or your twin flame, or your partner. Draw them to you. In the serene sanctuary of your mind, find yourself enveloped in a captivating inner state of meditation, where the energy of abundance and confidence and love course through the very essence of your being. In this tranquil mental landscape, a profound realization takes root. You now realize that you are the architect of your reality, and that your thoughts have the power to shape the world around you, to draw the love that you desire to you. As you bask in the glow of confidence and self-assurance, you realize that little by little, with each breath you take, you are developing an abundance mindset, a mindset that attracts the love you desire, a mindset that vibrates at the frequency of love and happiness and prosperity and abundance. You are a magnet for love. Say it in your mind. I am a magnet for love. You are a radiating magnetic energy that draws love toward you and makes you an irresistible force. Say it. Say it in your mind. I am an irresistible force to the one I love or desire. I am an irresistible force to the one I love or desire. You're in this beautiful sanctuary. The air is charged with anticipation as love embarks on a journey to chase you, to reach out to you, to capture you. You are now looking through the lens of an abundance mindset. Every step that you take is fueled by an ardent desire to explore the depths of deep connection, of deep commitment, and of deep love. The one you desire is pursuing you, not merely driven by physical proximity, but by an emotional and spiritual yearning that echoes the confidence and magnetism emanating from your very core. Say it now in your mind. Magnetism emanates from the very core of my being. Magnetism emanates from the very core of my being. In the tapestry of this deep mind meditation, love intertwines with the threads of self-assurance, creating a harmonious dance of mutual attraction. The one that you desire desires you. The one that you desire desires you. You feel the warmth of their love surrounding you like a gentle embrace, a testament to the power of positive energy and the magnetic pull of confidence. The universe conspires to bring the two of you deeper and deeper and closer together, aligning the stars in favor of love. Captivated by the allure of an abundant mindset that you now have, say it. I have an abundant mindset. I have an abundant mindset. I do not chase love. Love chases me. I do not chase love. Love chases me and wants me badly. In this state of meditation, you are not a passive observer, but an active participant in the creation of your own reality, where love flows effortlessly and the pursuit of affection is a joyful dance between two souls intertwined in the magic of confidence, abundance, and magnetism. In the boundless expanse of consciousness, you navigate the realms of self-assurance, abundance, creating a magnetic field of confidence that reverberates through all of existence. As you embrace this new mindset, an abundance mindset, a love mindset, you become a beacon of irresistible allure, radiating a captivating energy that draws love toward you like a moth is drawn to a flame. You are the one. Say it. I am the one. I do not chase. They chase me. I do not chase. They chase me. In the ethereal dance of the universe, your love interest embarks on a pursuit that transcends the physical and dwells into the depths of deep emotional commitment and connection. Their steps are guided not just by proximity, but by the innate sense of longing that mirrors the magnetic force field that you now have within you. You are a magnetic force field. Within the corridors of your mind, the tapestry of love and desire unfold, woven with the threads of assurance and magnetism. And so it is that the one you desire also desires you. And no longer do you have to wait for weeks and months to pass in order to receive the love you desire and deserve. It now happens instantly every time you listen to this meditation. As the narrative unfolds, the atmosphere resonates with the sweet symphony of love, where every gesture and glance is an expression of deep, profound, loving connection that you share with your specific person. The magnetic pull intensifies, drawing the two of you closer in an undeniable force. In the sacred space of your abundant mindset, you now have all the love you desire. Love continues to grow in your life. Love continues to chase you, and you are guided by confidence and light and assurance that you have an irresistible charisma of confidence and the magnetic allure that defines the cosmic dance lives on within you. All the love that you have ever desired is yours now. Now, to maximize the love within your life, to put yourself high on the pedestal, it's suggested that you listen to this meditation every day for 28 days for maximum impact and results.